Ever felt like you don't trust yourself anymore, and when you want to make a decision you immediately go to someone to make your decision, or else when you make a decision finally and you start thinking that whether you did that decision correctly or not, and or else whether you could decide that decision to be a different one or not, again and again you think about that so much. And I think today I am somewhat in that situation and I want to break that with you, and I'm going to explore how to do that. And today I'm going to talk about how to start trusting yourself again. So I just made parts of how to actually trust ourselves again. So the first one is like make small decisions first. For example, what do you want to eat today? Or when you go out with your friends and you want to order something for yourself, stop asking people the major order they take or whatever is fine, or stop answering that way. You need to just ask yourself what you want to eat, or else the other thing is just you just have to think what you want to do in your day today. So like when I woke up today, I just thought I could just do one productive thing for my life which just makes my life easier or my mind peaceful. So taking that small decisions will make you trust yourself. This is the first step that you need to try. Just try it. Just simply just order for yourself. The second one is keep these small promises to yourself. So there is this thing that I was doing for a very long time, like very long time. Like I promised myself that I'm going to wake up at 5:30 a.m. Start doing my morning routine, like wake up, jog, read a page in a book, and meditate for minimum 10 minutes, and work out anything like go to gym or work out, just move your body or do a stretch if you can't really go to a gym, is what I promised myself, and I have been following that. But recently I couldn't do that, so that's when I know I really just changed my schedule and lots have been changed. So I started planning the small promises again to myself. So I started creating this small habit tracker for myself, and I started. There is this app. I just put that app here, which I don't remember now, so I just put it here now. So in that app, you can create a habit for yourself, and every time you do that in a day, you just have to click it, and it just gives you a small tick sound, which just makes yourself feel happy that you accomplished one thing in your day. So just keep small promises to yourself. Wake up. If you say yourself that you're going to wake up at 6 a.m., wake up. When you promise yourself that you're going to go to gym, go to gym. Don't skip it. At least just show up. Wake up and show up. That's it. I don't think this is extremely because you have to be disciplined or not. It just means that you need to trust yourself that you could do it, so that your subconscious mind is going to think and just going to make beautiful decisions for you. So the third step that you're going to have in your mind is that you need to stop expecting yourself, you, to make the right decisions every time that you make anything. So it's okay if you make a wrong move. It's okay if you just make a wrong decision every time you do. But it's just part of your life, right? So when you make a decision, just do whatever that you feel like you're doing. Research something, and if you don't feel like researching, just trust your instincts. Go what you feel for. If you just want to talk to a person, talk. But even if you make that decision, it will be yours. So that's when you think that you could trust yourself. And if you feel like you're going to ask your friend or someone else whether I'm going to talk to this person or not, still you're going to come to the same circle that you don't have to trust yourself. So make the wrong move, make the wrongest, like the bad decision, even if it is a bad one. Do it for yourself, do it so that you could feel that it's your decision and not someone else's decision. The fourth step is like, maybe I already talked about this. If you haven't watched, you can watch, but don't abandon yourself and just mess up, okay? Like, you totally messed up somewhere, okay? You screwed up so bad. But what you have to do is, don't actually seek someone or go to someone so that you could just comfort yourself. First you need to sit with yourself and comfort yourself. So there was this time that I usually tell myself that I'm going to go to gym tomorrow morning, but I don't usually go to the gym, and I'll just sleep off, and I'll tell myself that I am super tired, which I will not be. I just love that cozy thing but that my bed gives, it the comfort it gives. So I just sleep off. So suddenly I just wake up and I'll just negatively talk to myself that this is how I do it and all those. I just don't want to talk about that now, but I just talk so badly about myself. So that just ruined my day. The whole day is ruined because of the negative talk. So I don't think you just need to abandon yourself when you just mess up. Bring back yourself, just do something, but don't speak negatively, don't speak bad about yourself, because the mind, the self which is within you will always be listening, and that's when you could just tune your mind that you are like so great or something. When you say that you are so bad, it just listen to you and gives so much of bad things around you. It is just how your subconscious mind works. So this is the part that most of them fail to do. Like, we all do these steps which I told, okay? So after doing all these steps and you don't know that how to actually trust yourself again, and you don't know how or whether you have really trusted you again or not, and there are some, you will know that you have started trusting yourself. Like, there will be signs. You will never ask anyone for any opinion at all unless it's like you don't really know anything about that topic or the decision to make, or when it is very simple, you will make that decision. You will be so comfortable saying no to people, and you don't want to go somewhere with that person or anywhere. You will directly say no. If you don't want to take that extra work from your company, you will say no. You will easily say no. That's when you know you could trust yourself other than the people around you. And the best thing is, you will stop comparing your life with the other person's life. You will know when you actually wanted to compare. That envy and jealous is actually a good thing, which just makes you move to another level. But that is a different thing from comparing yourself with another person, and you will stop doing it, and that's when you know you can trust yourself again. So I just want to tell you that make mistakes, make wrong decision. Even if it is a wrong decision, make it. It will be you who made that decision. Don't seek opinion or decisions from others if it is a very small thing. Trusting yourself doesn't mean actually you have to know everything that you have to do with your life or not. That doesn't mean that you know that you're trusting yourself. It means like you could actually be with yourself, sit and think what you can do. But you don't really know what to do with your life, but you know what to do. You can make the decision. And it means like, if whatever happens, I can just figure it out. Even if you get so much messed up with your life, like you are being like bankrupt or you are being in so much of debt, even if you lost someone or anything, whatever happens to you, you can figure it out. That's when you know you can be with yourself and trust yourself. So you just have to be with yourself and keep being with yourself. And of course, talk to your friends and hang out with them. But I'll see you in the next video.